Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Banchal and I am taking chemistry, and in this subject the topic is thermodynamics related to chemistry, and in this topic this is lecture number 27. In this lecture I will explain what is Carnot cycle. Okay, so first of all let us understand what is heat engine. You must have heard of this term engine, and we are now going to discuss what is heat engine and how Carnot cycle is helpful for this. Heat engine, a machine by which heat energy is transformed into mechanical energy in a continuous process is called a heat engine. In every heat engine, a there must be a substance like a gas which is continuously and alternately heated to higher temperature T1 and then cooled to a lower temperature T2. So this is what heat engine means. Now to study the process in heat engine, Sadi Carnot in 1824 proposed one cycle of system, and that is known as Carnot cycle. Now how it works, let us see this. Here, for analytical purpose, Carnot conceived an idealized theoretical engine in which the working substance undergoes sorry A working substance undergoes a cycle and every part of which is reversible. So for that, let us assume certain things. We take one cylinder. This is a piston and cylinder. There will be one stand and two different reservoirs. Okay. So what is inside this? This cylinder and piston, which become a system, and this is called E system. This is an insulated stand Z. Here this is the source of heat. We call it X, and sink is known as Y. So source is reservoir, this is also reservoir, and stand is insulated. It is a source of heat. So heat can be given to the system from this. So it will be at a higher temperature, T1, and this will be taking the heat from the system. So sink will be at lower temperature, T2, cold one, and this is hot. Okay, so this is hot, and here the sink is cold. Okay, so now we'll see construction of this different parts of this system. So first of all, we take cylinder E. This contains substance or substances in gaseous state. And it is a system. Next is a source, which we call X. It is basically heat reservoir or a source of energy having higher constant temperature T1. It supplies heat to the system kept in a cylinder. So this is the main function of the source X. Now Sink why? It is a reservoir at low temperature T2, which can absorb heat from the cylinder. Next is the stand Z. It is non-conducting stand which makes cylinder an isolated system. So this is what we call construction of a system or heat engine. Okay, how this heat engine work or function, that we will take in next lecture, because this we have not enough time for in this lecture to complete the Carnot cycle. So function of Carnot cycle will be discussed in next lecture. Thank you so much.